folks, I'm Big Bert, welcome to the channel. On tonight's killing it. On tonight's episode, we visit some waterfalls and some rivers on the west coast of Tasmania. An interesting trip. We headed down on the Thursday in shorts and t-shirts, and as you'll see in the video, came home on the Saturday with it snowing, not knowing whether or not we were actually going to get through. So an interesting few days weather-wise, but hey, that's the west coast of Tassie. You can do that in the middle of summer, so it just is what it is. Anyway, you know the drill. Grab a bevy, kick back, put your feet up, and enjoy the show. Today we're going up to Nelson's Falls, which is on the way to Derwent Bridge. They say it's 20 minutes. Not much of a day, but we'll have a crack and see what we can bring you. So I hope you enjoy. I don't know whether you can hear me or not. Nelson's Falls. You need to come and check it out. Nelson's Falls. It says 20 minutes off the Nelson's Highway. You're a dickhead. Off Lyle Highway. Go and check out Nelson's Falls. 20 minutes return at a stretch if you're just really lazy. Come and check it out. Wouldn't be a story without a waterfall now, would it? So Hogarth Falls in the heart of Strawn. Let's go and check it out. Hogarth Falls, Strawn, Tasmania. Come on, come and check it out. to Horsetail Falls. Hopefully you can hear this. It's a bit windy up here, but trying to beat that cloud coming in so we can get some pictures for you before the rain and the clouds come. So hope you enjoy. It's a bit of a hike ahead of us. Check out this scenery. There's a view of the 99B highway that you would have seen on the day 2 of the circumnavigation of Tasmania. We rode around the States on our Harley. Anyway, let's go. See the falls all the way along the walk. Oh well, when it's not dampened in cloud and fog. But we've got a nice clear day today, so we'll enjoy that. Horsetail Falls. Pretty specky. For those of you that aren't big on the walk, you actually get to circumnavigate all the way up to the platform, which doesn't happen very often at Waterfalls in Tassie. But just for you, I'll take you all the way to the top. In 15-minute walk from the car park, up the bordered walk to this beautiful view. Okay, so for the day after been to Horsetail Falls, we've had overnight rain and snow down to 600 metres, so I just thought we'd stick our head back in and show you the falls now with all the rain and stuff overnight. Please enjoy. So what a marvellous 12 hours, mates. We were here yesterday afternoon and we're just heading out of Queenstown today, heading towards Derwent Bridge. I thought we'd call in and just have another look with a fair bit more water boring through and misty cloud over the mountains. Absolutely beautiful. And if the camera's wobbling, that would be because it's a balmy 6 degrees Celsius. So it's bloody freezing. Quite the sight. We're not going up to Frenchman's Cap, I can guarantee you. 3 to 5 day hike. Not happening. But we are going to walk down to the Franklin River and walk across the trail bridge, which is something I've always wanted to do. Franklin River's historic here in Tasmania, with the blues over the damming of the river. But it didn't happen, and it's sort of part of Tassie history now. But it's a nice walk in from the Lower Highway. They say 15 minutes. Anyway, we'll see. It's fairly steep and steady to do at the moment. Lots of stairs. It'll be fun coming back out. Anyway, we'll see how we go. I'll see you down there. Yep, she's fairly steep now. I don't know if you can see that or not, but not that straight. That's the angle up. It's like a ladder and steps. always wanted to do this. I had no clue. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we are on the Franklin River. And I'm doing it one-handed so I can take you with me. Oh, she's nice and bouncy. I'll show you the river on the way back. The Franklin River. And there we are. We're now on the Franklin, the Frenchman's Cap walking track. We even have a boot cleaning station here. You enjoyed that short walk down to the Franklin River across the bridge and abouts. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. So we pull up at Derwent Park for some lunch, and 10th of April. It's freaking snowing. Can you believe that? So obviously above the 600 metre level, and check this out. I hope you're getting that. It's snowing its ass off. So I think it's about 2 degrees. It's not very warm, but damn, Tassie. That's nuts. Okay, back to me coffee. Cheers.